When you create a list in Python, you can use a for loop to iterate it and print each element. Here is the output of the program. But what if you want this result? What if you want to enumerate the elements in the list? After watching this video, you learn how to enumerate list elements without adding a single line of code. Here is the code to create and print a list. Now, what do I need to do to print an enumerated list? Let me start with a solution that works in every programming language. I create a counter. I print the counter value before the name value and increment the counter. I execute the code, and here is the result. This solution works in pretty much every programming language, but Python has a much more clever way to enumerate list elements. Let me show you. I start by deleting the counter variable. But notice I leave the counter here. I pass the names list to the built-in enumerate function. What does this do? It takes a list of elements and converts the list to a new list where each element is a tuple of a number and name. So the list of names becomes a list of tuples. I unpack each tuple in variables counter and name. I execute the code, and that works as expected. Well, almost. Look at the first number. It starts at 0 and I want it to start at 1. This is an easy fix. The Python documentation shows that the enumerate function takes a second argument with the starting number. I add it to the code. I execute the code. And here is the result. Without adding a single line of code, the list is now enumerated. And that's all for this video. If you want to learn more tips and tricks in Python from me, click on the screen and we'll see each other in the next video.